Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my live Forex trading session. Thank you guys for coming in, right? Okay, so, yep. We are back here again, alright. Okay, so, yes, I'm waiting for Pow Yen. Okay, we have now retest the support, the previous support level right now. Okay, so I guess this is kind of looks good to me. Okay, so right now, okay, so M5, okay, we are looking at the M5 trying to form a new strength coming in. As for now, okay, so well, I know who is there on the line with me. Okay, if you can hear me clearly, give me a thumbs up. All right, give me a thumbs up. Okay, right. Okay, so yeah, let's see. Okay, we still have some time because I'm waiting for London market to open. Okay, so yep. So let's wait and see. Okay. All right. Same thing, just a gentle reminder. Okay, so today will be the last last day for me of the week to do live with all of you. Tomorrow I won't be around. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Okay, just in case you have forgotten. All right. Okay. So same thing. Well, thank you, Fab, Bradley. All right. And Aiden, yes, okay, thank you very much. All right, so yes, for people who are new to my channel, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, over here. So if you find this session is useful and helpful in your trading, right? So give me a thumbs up as well, right? Thank you so much. Okay, so next, yep, what are we focusing today? Let me show it up. Okay, let me show it up. Okay, good. Right. Okay. Aussie CAD. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at pound dollar first. Okay, pound dollar, since we are very near to this pound dollar. So pound dollar, yes, we are looking out for a selling. So we have tested the resistance over here. Okay, we tested the resistance. So pound dollar, I'm waiting for a new selling cycle, which may happen in the next hour. So over here, all right. So let's see what do we have. Okay, and pound dollar, yeah, I think quite already triggered down. Wow, so many. Oh, it's a long way down already. Okay, so over 30, over 40 over pips, I think. Yeah. Okay, 38 pips, near to 40. So yep. Okay, so there may be a continuity. So let's pay attention and see what do we have. Yeah. Okay. So over here, pound dollar, pound yen. Yeah, I think it has already started to swing down quite a lot. Okay, so we are also waiting for a good opportunity to enter for any trades that we're going to have today. Okay, so let's see what do we have here. All right. Yes. Yeah. OK， 马来西亚的朋友，你们今天如果有在的话呢 ，OK， 请记得哦，今天晚上呢，在8点钟的时候呢，我会举行一个 Malaysia Charity Night，OK， 就跟大家一起分享啊 ，OK， 那么我会发出50马币 ，OK， 那么呢，我会发出50马币啊，无条件的 ，OK， 只要你在线上呢，我们玩点小游戏，只要你能抢得到的话，就是你的啦啊 ，OK。好了，那么要关注的就是我的 YouTube 频道，还有 ACS Learning Hub _KH，OK。好了，那么我们2个频道会同步一起直播，然后呢，让大家一起在这个线上能得到这个50 ，OK。Alright, so come back here. So Cat at the same time we are still waiting. Okay, well, I'm still waiting for the selling signal, but not yet. Okay, so still quite a distance to go. So let's focus into our Aussie. All right, Aussie. Okay, so we have Aussie dollar. Yeah, Aussie dollar. Well, Aussie dollar now is retracing upwards, which is good. All right, it must go up. Okay, it must go up because I'm a seller. So I will always wanted to sell at a higher price, okay, to the lower. Am I right? So tentatively, I'm waiting to sell, okay, but not the right time yet. Okay, so currently it's not the right time yet, so I'm going to put this aside first. Okay, how about Aussie Kiwi? Well, Aussie Kiwi, let's see. Aussie Kiwi today we are going to trade the selling if it's not breaking up above the support level. So this support level, okay, this resistance level will actually pose as a support here. Am I right? Because of the support now has become a resistance. So over here, okay, I'm going to shift this support level down, okay, and put the resistance level downwards over here. As we can see, this is the most touches of the resistance. Okay, as we can see the resistance here. All right. So yeah, that's right. This is now on the testing. So I'm going to wait for the next hour. I'm going to wait for the next hour to see if there's something for us. Okay, right. looks like okay, it's coming very near. All right. So how about Aussie yen? If you see anything, just let me know. Okay, just let me know if you see anything here. All right. Okay, so same thing, Aussie yen. Now we have tested the resistance. Okay, once again. Then over here, okay, over here, we are also looking for a chance to sell. We are waiting for a chance to sell, huh? Okay, so probably now we have tested the resistance, lower resistance, now probably another lower resistance, but look out for the support level. We have about 30 pips to go. So these 30 pips, okay, these 30 pips to go. So probably this may be the time for us. Okay, so but we just need to pay attention, and we just need to observe another 3 minutes to go for another hour opening. Right, so I guess this is pretty good. Okay, so we still have some space below. Aussie franc over here. Like I say, I'm waiting for it to break the support, retest the support level. Okay, retest the support level. Right. Hang on for a while because okay. I'm going to adjust a little bit. Okay. My microphone. Okay, hopefully all of you can still hear me clearly. Okay. All right. Okay. Yes, Hubert, you're right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. So hi GT. Okay, give me a minute. Let me take a look at Aussie CAD first before I answer your questions. All right, Aussie CAD. I'm looking for selling as well. So over here, downward trend, and now we are on the way to sell. Since we have already tested this resistance over here, now creating a lower resistance right here. So tentatively, right here over at this point of time, I'm actually looking for a selling. Just waiting for the correct time to see where to sell. All right. Okay. And answering your question, GT, what are the main pairs you trade? Okay, what are the main pairs as you can see on my MT4? Okay, so over here, usually I trade more like say to this Aussie CAD. Okay, I'm actually there's no main the main pairs that I'm trading. Okay, there are some major and minors. Okay, there are some major and minors. So looking at this part here, all right. So I am actually let me hide message so that you can see. All right. So over here, okay, my screen is frozen. No, because I I move away. Okay, I move my mouse into the next display. All right. Okay, so coming here. All right. So I have Aussie cat here. All right. Let me show this way. I think it's much easier. Right. So Aussie cat over here and showing this way. Right. So Aussie cat. Okay, and Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Aussie dollar. Okay. So this part here. Okay, so some minors and major pairs in the Aussie, right? So Aussie, you are Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Euro Pound, Euro Yen, Euro Kiwi, Euro Dollar, right? Okay, and Pound Aussie, Pound CAD, Pound Franc, Pound Yen, Pound Kiwi, Pound Dollar, Dollar CAD, Dollar Franc, Dollar Yen. Okay, all right. So these are all. But the rest are all for the last three, usually for questions, you know, okay, for questions purpose. All right, so the rest are no, okay, no. All right, so yep, and let me see, okay. Oh my God, all right. Well, Pound, London has opened. Let's take a look. All right, London has opened. Let's take a look over here. All right. Hi, good morning, Matt. And well, our pound yen has started to have some movement. Let's take a look. Okay. Pound dollar. Our pound dollar is actually retracing upwards now. Pound yen. Pound yen. All right. Okay. So it has actually tested and now coming for the selling after the. Oh my God. Okay. All right, so tentatively, okay, take it as a miss. Okay, take it as a miss. Okay, so yes, yeah, you see, after it breaks the support, okay, this is in M5. Like I say, I always wanted to wait for this retracement to test on the support that which actually become a resistance over here, as you can see, tested, and then coming again right now. All right, then this is something that yeah, something that we should be entering, huh? Okay, this is a continuity. Okay, so yeah, for me, I missed. Okay, guys, probably you may have captured some, but for me, I missed it. Okay, so sad. Well, since I missed it, please don't chase it, huh? Please don't chase. Okay, all right. Okay, well, congratulations, Trinet and Bradley. You got your TP. Okay, congratulations. All right. Okay, so, yep. Well, never mind. Okay, so we shall continue. Okay, on the next one to go. All right. So, yep. Anyway, we have let's see. Okay. Well, today the Euros are actually on the holidays. Okay, so mostly we don't have not many high impact news apart from this US hour. We have a prelim GDP quarter to quarter. So just be careful. Usually I don't encourage people to trade on this high impact news. Okay, reason behind is that there's a lot of disadvantages for this for retail trader. All right, and slippage may happen. Okay, the entry price may not be as accurate. Okay, at the same time, your TP price may not be exact as well. Okay, so probably when you exceeded your TP price and you see, hey, how come my trade is still there when the price went way below my TP price? Okay, so there's a lot of disadvantages there. So usually I will prefer not to trade. Okay, all right. So if you have already a trade in there, it's fine. Okay, now if you have entered a trade before, okay, so at least you have escaped the inaccuracy of the entry. So this is what I meant by not trading in high impact news, right? Okay, so pound yen once again, all right, pound yen. We are still back to pound yen. Sometimes there are people who ask me, okay, GT, okay, example, There are people who ask me, hey Eric, is there any favorite currency pairs that you love to trade? You know, I would say no. Okay, no, usually no. Okay, why is that so? It's because but I see that you always trade, like example, these few days you've been talking about pound yen. Okay, the reason behind why I'm always talking about pound yen is because I have identified pound yen as a downward trend. Correct? It's a downward trend. So currently it is at a downward trend, so there will be a chance for me to trade. Of course, there will be days that you know, example, first half of the day, like yesterday, we can trade, and the second half ending of the day, then we cannot trade anymore because it's actually tracing upwards. There's a pullback. So yeah, so usually once I have identified certain currency pairs that is in the favor of my directions, okay, yes, I will go for it will be my target board. Okay, so I will point my rifle onto this target board for a few days and reap as much as I can. Okay, so yeah, so I will try to reap the profit as much as I can. So during that few days, so that's how I trade. So at least, you know, I will be very focused rather than, you know, jumping around and I missed that, I missed this, you know. Okay, so that's what I meant, huh? Okay, so let's take a look at the pound dollar. Is something that I also focused just now. I choose pound dollar today, all right, in my analysis. So in this pound dollar, okay, let me show up this message so that you know what we are focusing. All right, so at the same time, probably as I'm explaining certain currency pairs, you may also be jumping around, okay, so that you can with this message on my screen. So to sell Aussie CAD, Aussie franc, Aussie yen, Aussie kiwi, Aussie dollar. All right, so probably if you see something good, okay, you can alert me, just let me know. All right, okay, so yes, okay, just ask your question, no worries. Okay, if you have any questions. Okay, so over here, same thing, pound yen. Okay, I have no, okay, nothing. All right, so pound yen, there's nothing for me right now. So over the other side, let's take a look at pound CAD. Right, pound CAD. Let's take a look at pound CAD now. Pound CAD, as I said earlier on, okay, we are actually at the door. We are at the doorstep between the bull and the bear. Okay, I define the bull and the bear here. Okay, in this area. So this area is going to have seems like it's going to retest the support. It seems like it's going to retest the support. Look out for a new support to push further up for a higher high. Okay, so at this moment, okay, pound CAD, I would say that probably is not that ideal. Okay, so we just need to be patient. Okay, to wait for the selling signal. Okay, to see if it's really coming for a new cycle, to show us a new cycle in H1 here, to show us that a new selling cycle is going to retest the support to push further up, right? To push further up. Okay, so yeah, so I just want to pay attention to that. Okay, all right, so over here, and let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, we are now, okay, shooting up. Good. Okay, please shoot up further. Okay, please shoot up further. Okay, I hope that this shoot up further so that we will have a chance to sell later on. Okay, so Aussie kiwi, well, kiwi is selling right now. Okay, let's check. Aussie kiwi, this is where the support become a resistance level. So now we have already tested the resistance. So selling signal is already here. Okay, but then again is that yeah, we should be selling from here, okay, to here. Okay, so it's still ongoing. So let's wait for a while. Let's wait. Okay, Aussie kiwi. I would say that I would see this Aussie kiwi quite potential. Okay, Aussie kiwi. Right now I'm looking at about 11. Quite tight, actually. The support. I see wrongly. Okay, we have about 17 pips. 17. Okay, 17. To me, it's pretty tight. Okay, but you can scalp it. Okay, so this week, okay, I have a video. Many of you actually watch my weekly videos. Okay, okay, I have a weekly videos. Okay, in this playlist. So in these videos, in this playlist, I actually I'm sharing my past experience. Okay, with all of you. What are the things that I've been through? What are the things I see? And what are things that I actually how did I overcome certain things? Okay. So excuse me. So in this playlist, okay, what I'm doing is that I'm just sharing. Okay, so hopefully, okay, some of you which is actually as a beginner, okay, or you are in search of solutions about your current trading situation like this, something like that. Okay, probably you can take a look. Okay, you can take a look at this playlist. Okay, let me share this playlist. Okay, this playlist, the link over here. All right. So yeah, this playlist was created this year. Okay, so I started this year that I'm going to have a weekly as a journal. Okay, as well to also talk about weekly what we experience, so that if you are actually following me, all right, and you will be able to see. Okay, so this is maybe what I'm facing. You know, probably some of these videos may help. Okay, all right. So yeah. So yeah, yesterday, okay, I received quite a few messages and also comments. Okay, so yes, how do I trade in this way? Okay, that I can achieve a consistent profit. All this, okay, it's all round down to this structure. What kind of structure do you have? Okay, so that is one thing that many of us should be looking out for. Okay, I myself, okay, I've been trading but I don't have a structure in the past that is really giving me a lot of headaches. You know. So end of the day, I created a structure and then things started to turn better. Okay, so that's why I'm sharing out. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So yeah, let's take a look. Okay. Okay, Aussie yen, not yet. Okay, Aussie franc, pound yen, huh? Okay, pound yen. Somebody was saying that pound yen. Right, pound yen over here. Okay, pound yen. Okay, so we have a pullback right now. Is this a good chance for us to sell? Well, let me see. If we are going to pull this down lower to the support, and as you can see, this is a lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So we are meeting up as a trending market, correct? It's a trending market right now. So over here in H1, okay, this is where the main support is. No, H4, the main support. Okay, I'm looking out for the support. All right. So there's a support over at this level. So over at this level, hang on, guys. Okay, just let it go and retest. Go and retest now. Okay, of course, it's retesting now, right? Okay. So let's hang on. I wouldn't want to let it go down all the way. If it's going down all the way right now in this minute, then I will take it as a miss. Okay. There are some there's this thing actually I think is quite an international language. FOMO. All right. FOMO. FOMO. All right. FOMO over here. So I believe many of us actually fall into the trap of FOMO. Okay. So which I guess you may be asking, hey Eric, since you know that since you can see that this is actually going down, but this is not my structure. Okay, if I'm a super high risk taker, right? I'm gonna grab this 28 pips to 30 pips of space, but you know, with this strong selling over here, you know, and another big buying up back over here, the pullback, it shows that the support level appears over here. There must be a reason. There must be a reason why the pullback over here. Am I right? There must be a reason. So in this case, I won't going to risk. I'm not going to take risk for such a situation. Okay, unless it's starting to have a selling candle and now another red candle like this now. Okay, then I'm going to observe, is there any engulfing candle? Then okay, probably I will scalp it. Okay, I will scalp it, but I will not definitely I will not just put it in and then I will not just go and waiting for very good profits, then pull out for a long trade. Okay, which is usually not my style. Okay, because of the support level has actually shown up there. All right, so yes, you can scalp it and but not to challenge that signal. Okay, that's what I meant, huh? All right, so over here usually like this. Okay, this is some kind of signal. Okay, let's take a look at H1 example. Okay, H1, you see it actually swing down this way until here, this price here. This is the lowest of this hour. Okay, there must be a reason. There must be a reason that it stopped here, correct? Okay, so probably when you look to the left, okay, can you find something like maybe a support or somewhere, like for example, it hits here? Is there any support? Yeah. Okay, so I think it's quite obvious, right? Okay, like I say, in my system over here, I have a white line here. Okay, so this white line it poses as a moving support. Okay, it's a moving support. It hits on the moving support, and as I say, the white line that is pointed here, as you can see from here, previous resistance is the support, and that support, correct? So over here, the same thing goes on. Okay, so well, will it come to retest again? Maybe, all right? Maybe, all right? So let's see. Okay, we will see how it moves, but definitely, okay, when the time comes at this point of time, I won't take risks like that. Okay, anyway. Okay, I won't take risks like that. Okay, so is there anyone who actually capture any profit for the past few days? Okay, if you have, can you let me know? Okay, so that we know what are we going to do for the next trade. Okay, right? So yeah, so let me know. All right, so you see, if there's if you grab some profit, can you punch in the number 5? Can you punch in the number 5? All right, okay, for the past few days, I'm talking about past few days, right? Past few days. Okay. Guys, I'm so sorry. Today my throat is not feeling very well. I need to have more breaks for drinks. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. So once again, right? Once again over here. Okay. So yep. So if you have if you have captured some profits in this live session, all right, for the past few days, so you have to currently probably you have to act on certain things like say preserve, okay, preservation. Know how to preserve your wealth. Okay, so just manage it well, so that you are able to enjoy your weekend. This is what I meant. All right. So for pound yen, allow it to retest again. Okay, so retest it, then later we come back and take a look. Okay, so how about pound cat? Pound cat not yet. Okay, we're having a support. If I want to sell, usually I want to see a resistance. Am I right? So currently it's not there yet, so I'm looking a lot of attention on this. So next to go, I'm going to into the Aussies. Okay, into the Aussies. So let's take a look at Aussies. So Aussie CAD is also moving up. Okay, so having a support. So I'm waiting for it to probably around this area. Okay, around this area of resistance in this cycle. Right. So hourly. So just wait. Be patient, guys. All right. Okay. So Aussie franc once again. Aussie franc. Well, Aussie franc. Just now we are talking about it, and now it's actually retracing upwards. Okay, Okay, so just hang on for a little while. So Aussie franc, let's hang on. Okay, I'm waiting for it to come, but not yet. Okay, so Aussie yen over here. Aussie yen is not there yet as well, so just hang on, just wait for a little while as well. Okay. Okay. Do you consider this pound yen now as a retesting? Let me check. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen, huh? Pound yen. Okay, at the same time, take a look at Aussie yen, huh? Okay, Aussie yen also something that we should also pay attention to. Pound yen. Okay, yes, pound yen. Yes, currently is retesting. Okay, the previous support to become a resistance over here. All right, so this part here. So hang on. Okay, just hang on. All right, hang on with this first. Okay, I guess we still need some time. Okay, we still need some time. All right, so hang on with this. Hang on. Okay, because I guess they're in the market right now. The London market has just opened. Correct, London market just opened. So I believe there's some actions is still working. We're working on some actions now. So I believe it is not that it's not so what should I say, favorable. Okay, it's not that so favorable yet. Okay, so yeah, currently yes, let's probably have to wait for a while, right? Okay, yeah, right. Testing, yes, it's testing. Yes, it's right now. Probably it's actually retesting, and if you see that such thing happens like this, okay, lower resistance, lower highs actually coming down, and now with these rejections over here, as you can see in the H1, okay, it's about to going to meet some resistance. Okay, so like this, since the that become a resistance has already broken. Okay, now it's going to show me later on if it's coming back. Okay, to hit on the support here. Okay, to hit on the support level over here, then I will see will it come lower. If it's coming lower, I guess probably yes, I will say okay, then something there for us. Okay, then we shall wait for a retesting of the resistance, which previously was a support. Okay, so currently, okay, we are in the resistance area. Can I take a look here? Okay, after retesting this way, if this is still maintaining this way coming downwards, I guess there may be a chance later on, okay, in before the next H4 opening, if this is coming down, and that may be our last chance. Today to trade pound yen. Okay, why do I say so? Is because if it's not breaking the support, okay, then very likely this is going to become a higher support. It will become a higher support. So in that case, this will become a higher support. That means to say it will create a very likely after the higher support. That means higher highs is coming. So in that case, this is not very ideal to trade anymore. All right. So yeah, but anyway, we still have to pay attention to this, okay, before we actually take action. All right. So yeah, just hang on first. Okay, just hang on with this. So yeah, pound yen not yet. Okay, we still have a while to go. All right. Okay. So just hang on with this. Okay, pound yen, no, not yet. Okay, it's still a long way to go, I would say. Okay, so that it's still a long way to go. Then probably I just need a little while. Okay, I just need a little while before we actually take action. Okay, all right. So with these rejections, it seems a very strong rejections over here. Am I right? Okay, this hour. So these rejections, when the market opens, it actually zoomed down, but after that it got rejected. So probably, okay. You know, the market just opened, everybody's just in the morning, you know. So yeah, just give a wake up call, huh? All right. Powcat, how about Powcat? Okay, Powcat is still on the way. Okay, still on the way, moving upwards. So tentatively, Powcat, well, it seems like it's been rejected and forming as a higher support here. So obviously, it's not working well. It's not working good as well. So let's not focus too much on the Powcat first. Okay. Is there anything that we can focus in the Aussie? Let's take a look. Okay. Look. Okay. Aussie cat. Okay, Aussie cat. If Aussie cat right now, okay, Aussie cat, we are actually in the selling. So today we have one wave, another wave of lower highs, another waves of lower highs here. So it may come back for a retesting of this Aussie cat, the resistance here. Then it will start to sell down. Okay, so probably, yeah, we still need a little bit of patience there. Okay, so in any case over here, so H4, we are now on H4, looking out for where is the support level, as you can see, and higher support, now another higher support. So current situation, by looking at this, it is not showing favor. Okay, it's not favorable for us yet. Okay, so just skip. Okay, so try to filter out slowly one by one. Okay, to find the most favorable currency pairs in at that point of time, so that we can grab our profits in a very safe manner. Okay. Okay, so yes, H1 over here. Okay, I'm still waiting for a new selling cycle like this, all right. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's see the next one. Aussie yen also. Aussie yen is something that worth taking a peek over here. So right now, let's see Aussie yen selling through. All right, so M15, the last 15 minutes is still struggling here. So same thing, the pullback like pound yen. Okay, so pullback over like pound yen here. So yep, I guess just hang on for a little while. Okay, just hang on for a little while. Okay. Yes, I guess good now. Okay. Well, like I say, patient. Be patient. All right, be patient. Okay. So, yep. That's right. Okay, just be patient. Don't worry, guys. Okay, we still have plenty of time to go. Okay, even there's nothing for us to trade today, don't force yourself into any trades. Okay, it's not that way. Okay, you don't treat it that way. Okay, so just be patient, huh, guys. Okay, so Aussie yen, Aussie Kiwi, right? Aussie Kiwi is coming back to retest the resistance again. Okay, we are coming back to retest the resistance. So hang on. All right, hang on. So let it test first. Okay, let it test first. Well, maybe today, like yesterday, you know, we have actions on the first half, and probably today we don't have any action on the first half. Probably on the second half, correct? Probably on the second half. So yep. So just pay attention to that. Okay. All right. So yep. Okay. So just take a look at this. Okay, and Aussie dollar. I'm also looking at Aussie dollar for the opportunity to sell. But right now I'm looking at it, it's like moving upwards now to we are at the verge. Well, the door between the bull and the bear. So same thing. It is not that favorable yet as well, because it test for the last 2 hours tested the support but it doesn't break, and now it started to retrace. Well, okay. So I guess this may not be a good time. Okay, so just just sit back and wait. Okay, just sit back and wait. Okay. Yep. All right. So while waiting, do you have any questions or anything that you would like to share with us? And you are welcome to share. All right, you are welcome to share. So I'm waiting. Okay, so as I'm waiting, then let's see. Okay, is there anything that we can do or yen? Yeah. Right. Okay. Hi, Fred. You're a very funny man. Man. Okay, thank you so much. Fun learning. All right. Okay. Okay, let's take a look. Yen. Okay, yen right now. Okay. It seems like, okay, Eric, is this the right time to sell already? Okay, so let's take a look. This looks like there's a support here. So the support stands over here. So we are now coming from the top to retest. See if we can push down, break the support, okay, and retest the support once again to confirm. Okay, to confirm. Right, for the next 5 minutes. Okay, if the next 5 minutes is retesting the previous support as a resistance and is not breaking, then get ready for the engulfing and we shall go for a trade. Okay, all right, I hope you get it. So tentatively, if it's actually coming down this way, okay, I would say that there's some chance that it will just zoom down. Okay, and probably to me, I will just take it as I missed the trade. Okay, because right now it's actually coming down from the top, and now there's a support. Okay, there's a support. So this support over here, we are still testing to break the support. If you look into H1 as a bigger picture, we have not break the support. Okay, the support is being tested, but it's not being break. So it's not broken, so nothing confirmed, nothing affirmed. There's no affirmatives here. So have to wait. Okay, we have to wait. So if people may ask me if there's a chance that if there's a candle, a long candle just sell down, you know, what will you do? I'll down there and oh yes, really go down. Okay, so I'm not going to click. I'm going to hold my hands on my ears, put both hands on top of my head. I'm not going to touch my mouse. Okay, I'm not going to touch my mouse until it comes back to retest the support as a resistance and it's not breaking, showing an engulfing candle coming again, then I will start to shoot it down. All right, okay, I will shoot it down because with this testing, retesting, and with the selling down, it shows that the market is actually still in the bearish trending market. So very highly likely is going to create a lower low. That means to say to break these lows. Okay, so I rather wait for that opportunity. So as you can see, when you come to trading, I have a plan in mind. I have a plan in mind of how should I go about for these trades. Okay, so if it's going according to my plan, I will shoot it, and that's how I can grab the profit in a very safe manner. So if it's not working according to my plan, okay, then I will just take it as a miss. If it's really shoot it down, okay, if it's really shooting down and I take it as a miss, right? So some people may be telling me, hey Eric, the way in this case, this way, you are actually missing out a lot of opportunity. Well, there's plenty of opportunity anyways. So I don't mind to lose one. I don't mind to miss one. Okay, so yeah, that's my concept. Okay. So people out there, probably if you may not and you may not agree, and you don't have to agree with me. Okay, so if you see opportunity that it will shoot down, okay, by all means just enter for the trade. Okay, all right. Okay, so like this, you see, you know why I wanted to retest, because it's coming down to test on the support. So once it's coming down, retest the support, and it's not breaking the support downwards. Red and green candle coming along like now. Okay, this may show that the support is strong. That becomes a buying signal. So when it comes and show the buying signal, okay, right, then it will become a buy. So that is not really that good. Okay, all right. So yeah, let's go to Euro Yen. Somebody asking a question here. Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Currently, Euro Yen is coming back for a selling after retesting the resistance, which is good right now. Okay, earlier on it is not good. Okay, which was not good then when I do up the analysis. Now it is good. Okay, so let me see the support. The support is here. Okay, support is here. So right now over here, H1. Okay, selling. It is selling off now. Okay, it is selling off. Looking good for Euro Yen. Okay, so tentatively for the last 30 minutes was selling off. The movement was there. Okay, action was there. And M5, let's see M5. Okay, we are now at this stage. Okay, we are now at this stage, huh? So yes, selling signal is here also, Euro Yen, but the space is only about 16, about 16, 16. So let me see if there's a currently there's another. Okay. In this cycle, it has completed one, as you can see. Okay, sorry. Over here. Okay. Take a look at this. When it started to zoom down, it touches and it's actually rejected back. So take a look at the lowest price here. And you see it actually tested on the support here. Okay, it tested on the support here and it got rejected. So right now, I will be looking out for a new. I will be looking out for another resistance. Okay, I want to see another resistance. A very near resistance over here, which is probably here, as you can see. Okay, the previous support. Okay, over here, tested and break, coming back, tested, and now breaking. Is testing to break. So that means to say this previous support has become a resistance in the cycle. So I'm waiting for the next hour. Okay, in the next hour, if M5 is something retesting this resistance, okay, it will become a selling signal. Why do I say so? It's because, as you can see, this is a downward trend. It's a selling trend, correct? It's a trending market now. Okay, it's a trending market. So very likely, and around this area, right? Around this area, it will become a resistance, a lower resistance that it will continue the selling. Okay, it will become a selling as well. So in this case over here, one wave, second, and now it's like still there. You know, it's still within this area of the resistance. So Euro Yen, I'm waiting for it. Well, it's also quite good that you can wait for the testing of the resistance here. Then we shoot. Okay, then we shoot for a sell. Okay, right. I think this one quite okay. Right. So coming back for selling now. Okay, this is good. Euro Yen. Now we have one more thing to focus on. Euro Yen. Okay. So yeah. It tested once and it got rejected. So probably the next hour you're going to start to sell again to retest the support. Okay, to retest the support. Okay, right. So guys, you can also pay attention to Euro Yen. Okay. Yes, euro yen, huh? Okay, euro yen. Pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Okay, pound yen now. Okay, current situation for pound yen, we are testing the support. We are testing the support. So if you think that this support has break, okay, if you think that it will just shoot down, okay, if you think that it will just shoot down and you can grab and you can scalp for a profit there, by all means you can go. All right, because I may not be 100% correct. Okay, like I say, if I have missed the opportunity, I will take it as a miss. So yeah, but for me, I'm going to wait for it the next 5 minutes. Okay, when it's coming down, the candle open below the support level, and I want it to go back and retest. Okay, when it come down, okay, I want to go back to retest this support to make sure to have a confirmation that it is not breaking. Then I'm going to sell down. Okay, then I'm going to sell down from around this area. All right, because usually things like this, lower resistance may give you a lower lows. Okay, so yeah, so as of now, you can see it is retesting the support. Can you see it's retesting the support? Okay, over here. Okay, it's retesting the support. Is it too small? Okay, so the support here, then come here and retest again. It's not opening, the candle is not opening below, and it's forming a buying signal at the support area. Can you see? Okay, it looks like a, it looks like a the support here, false breakout, and coming for support again. So yeah, probably it's not the right time yet. I don't think it's the right time yet. Okay, all right, so since that's not the right time yet, probably we can still keep sharing. Okay, keep sharing of what would you like to know, and something that I know and I can share with you. All right, so pound yen and also euro yen, okay, we are very similar. Okay, as you can see, the chart is very similar. All right, okay, we are in a very similar situation here, huh? Okay, right, okay, same but different. Okay, because one is from the top. Okay, it breaks through and now retesting the support. Okay, to see if it can break or forming a buying signal. Okay, euro yen is from the bottom going up, testing the resistance to break, but if it's not breaking, then it will come back for a selling. Then there will be a good chance. Euro yen may be the good chance faster and earlier than the pound yen. Okay, all right, so both are testing. It's just that one testing the support, one is testing to break the resistance. Okay, euro yen is testing to break the resistance, whereas pound yen is testing the support. Okay, all right, so yeah, correct me if I'm wrong or you have any other views. Okay, just let me know. Okay, so yeah, just things like this. Okay, for example things like this. Okay, if we have actually come into such a situation, okay, whereby current situation here has already become a support, and if I enter the trade below here, then this is a signal, then this may be a signal of SL, of a stop. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so usually at this point of time, a lot of us was like, can I enter now? Can I enter now? You know. Okay, so keep calm. Okay, right. So stay calm. Okay, stay calm. I guess I still have another 5 to 10 minutes before I can conclude. Okay, my entry for for pound yen. Okay, for euro yen, you have rejections. Okay, that is good. Okay, euro yen, you got the rejections here. Engulfing, yes. Okay, so now to here it's about 20 pips of space. Then you probably you can grab some from there. Okay, all right. So euro yen. Okay, euro yen. Euro yen looks pretty good. Okay, Euro yen. Okay, so I guess probably there's maybe some some actions coming. Okay, so yeah, just take note. Just take note. Okay, Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. So something to take note for Euro yen, huh? Okay, so just stay calm and observe if you are going to enter for a trade. Make sure you have enough space. All right, make sure you have enough space. Okay, make sure you got enough space before you actually shoot. All right. Okay, so hey, usually I go down to a lower time frame is because I want to see what is exactly happening right now. For example, I go down to M1. Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of in this 1 minute chart. Okay, and 1 minute chart is usually the current moment. You can see that traders, the sellers are actually selling, and the support is actually pretty obvious over here. But of course, this is only the M1. Okay, M1. So it is still not that that strong. Okay, I would say. All right. Okay, so probably okay. Okay, so if you choose that, I think or Euro yen, I guess this still good. Okay, it's still good because we still have enough space. Okay, we still have enough space for that. If you are looking at the support here, okay, the support over here, right? So you have about 20 pips of space, which is, I guess, still fantastic to go. Okay, still fantastic to go, right? Okay, so yep. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if anyone has already entered that. Okay. So Euro yen. Okay. Bradley 503 for Euro yen. I guess it's for Euro yen. So I guess you have already entered, and 503 should be your price, right? Okay. I think so. Okay. So Bradley is a very good scalper. Am I right? Okay. He always good at grabbing some scalping profits. Okay. So well, 503. Okay. So let's see if we can hit the 503. Huh? Okay. So let's take a look at pound yen. Right. Pound yen. Now the situation changed. The situation has changed, right? Now the situation is that we fall into the previous support has become a resistance. We become resistant. Am I right? We become resistant. But how strong is this resistance until it got retested and selling again? But if you have already entered for pound yen to grab some profits here, okay, yes, you can. Okay, yes, you may also. All right. But I will prefer a scalp. So from here, currently from here until the next support, okay, I will rather I think it should be around here. Another, yeah, I think this should be the one. Another 20-30 pips. Okay, so guys, just grab it. Okay, just grab as much as possible. TP. Okay, thank you, 168. Okay, guys, give me a little while. All right. Okay, good. Congratulations, 168. 168. Okay, so Yes, 168. Correct. Did I pronounce it correctly in Thai? I hope I pronounced it correctly. Yeah. Okay. 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 So yep. Oh, by the way. All right. So this, like I said over here, okay, it seems like there's no there isn't any retesting for me and over here, okay. So did anyone grab it? Okay, did anyone grab this pound yen? Okay, if you grab the pound yen, right, remember to smash the like button for me. Smash the like button for me, all right? Okay, yeah, okay, I'm just having fun. For people who just know me, okay, since over the many years of trading, now I'm letting my hair down. So hopefully you don't mind, okay? Don't mind my unprofessionalism. Anyway, I'm not professional, okay? So just having fun with all of you, have a fun learning, fun trading here with everyone, so that everyone is also enjoying, so that you will find that actually trading is also very relaxed. We don't have to really stress ourselves pulling our hair off. Okay, yeah, okay. So basically, okay, just get yourself into a very relaxed mode, okay, a relaxed state, so that we know, okay, that we can trade it at ease, okay, we can get it, okay. Your face is blocked. My face is blocked. Is that so? Oh, I see. It's blocked by the message. Hi guys. It doesn't matter whether my face is blocked or not, okay, because importantly it's not my face, importantly is the MT4 up there, right? MT4 up there. Okay, so it's coming down nearer. Okay, coming down. Yeah, okay, so good. All right, so it doesn't matter, okay, so just okay, so the rest of you people who are from Sweden, UK, all right, I hope you also got something out there, all right. Okay, so yeah, my face is not important anyway. So this is what I meant here. If we have retesting here and it's not retested and coming down, okay, straight away, this may be the support. Okay, this may be the support over here. All right, this may be the support. However, if you can see that the trend is actually trending downwards, the support over here in this M5 support likely is going to break and it's going to bring us to a lower low. Okay, it may be a lower low. Okay, all right, so yeah, okay, thank you, Eric, my man. Your live trade is awesome. Oh, thank you, Paul. Thank you very much. Okay, so it all depends on your decision as well. So your decision is really the key. Okay, my life is only here to guide. Okay, so as you can see, since we can see that, we can tell that this is a trending downward market. Okay, a down bearish trending market over here. We can see that over at this point, okay, we are going to break this and bring our price lower low, a lower low. Okay, just slightly more. You know what I like to do? I always like to blow down the price. Like example. Okay, this is something I always like to fool around. Okay, let's blow it down, Okay, so it's going to bring us to a lower low. Okay, a lower low that today pound yen is bringing lower. Okay, it's bringing lower again. Once again, come on. Come on, let's go, let's go. Further down, just a little bit more, right? Why? It's because, yes, you will bring down to where the previous support, correct, is a lower low for this, from this wave, and now bringing it lower low. So that means to say, previous support has become a resistance. It has become a resistance, all right? Okay, guys, remember to smash the like button if you hit your TP, all right? If you have already smashed the like button, okay, give me a thumbs up in the comment, all right? Thank you so much. That's a little small token of appreciation from you, okay? All right, so now let's see if it's going to retest the previous support, okay, to become a resistance. Probably there will be another chance, okay? So, yep. So let's see, okay, for Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen, okay, Aussie Yen, okay, somebody, okay, Aussie Yen, right, Aussie Yen, let's take a look, Aussie Yen, oh, Aussie Yen, something to go again, right, Aussie Yen, I guess I have missed this, right, Aussie Yen, okay, so one here, the resistance, put it down, lower resistance until this way. Okay, now it's pushing downwards on this again, right? The previous support was here. This is good example, but I missed it. This. Okay, can you see the support? The support, previous support has been tested and become the resistance here. Okay, now take a look at this. All right, look at this. Okay. Look at this. Okay, look at this. This previous support has become a resistance. From testing, it breaks the resistance, coming back, and with this candle, it retests the previous support as a resistance, and it becomes an engulfing candle here. This one. Yes, this one. Okay, this should be the entry here. Okay, this one. Okay, this one. So from here, always take a look. We have about 10 to 14, okay, 10 to 15. All right, so check around. Okay, the support level here to here have about 26. Well, 26. Okay, so I guess that's pretty good as well. Okay, it's also something worth to pay attention to for Aussie Yen, but also take note of the Aussie Yen trading hours. Okay, the market. Okay, that's important. Okay, it's important. You may see volume right now, but if the market shut, okay, there may be a big drop in volume. Okay, all right. Take a look at pound yen. Take a look at pound yen. Okay, right. Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen. I have already missed one. Okay, I'm hoping, yeah, that's maybe giving me another chance. Okay, yeah, maybe it's giving me another chance. So, yep, right. Thank you very much for telling me about this Aussie yen. Okay, so now another one coming, pound yen. Okay, another learning one. Okay, let's take a look at the situation for pound yen. All right, pound yen we are bringing down, correct? We are bringing down the M5 because of this M5. But in the trading market, this is the support. Right now, it breaks to bring a lower low. Now it swing back. Now this swing back. Can you see? It's testing on the previous support once again. It's testing on the support once again. Testing on the previous support, which becomes the resistance once again. Okay, so now let's pay attention to this situation here. Okay, I want you guys to understand the situation. All right, the situation. Okay, probably in the next 1 hour opening, the new H1 opening with M5 opens, it may just have a good candle swing down. All right, probably. All right, so yep. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Okay, so pound yen. Yes. How about Powcat? Do we have anything? Powcat coming back again in this Powcat. Oh, okay. Powcat. Powcat is coming back to retest the support area here. Okay, Powcat. Okay, over here. All right. So let's take a look first. Okay, monitor. Okay, we don't have to be so anxious to entering a trade. Keep cool, keep calm. Okay, right. So Pound Yen, another one. Pound Yen now, same thing. It went up again above the support level. Let's wait for the retesting. Okay, so Euro Yen. Same thing, Euro Yen is actually bringing down the resistance much lower. Okay, over here. Let's wait for the retesting. Okay, let's wait for the retesting. Then let's check. We are very near to the support. Am I right? We are very near to the support area. Correct? Okay, Euro Yen. So now we are below the support, retesting the support or retesting the previous low resistance as a trending market. It looks like it's breaking. Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen now is retesting the H1 support. Euro Yen now is testing on the support here. Okay, can you see there's a support over here? Okay, look at this part here. Okay, there's a support. Now it's trying to break the support. Correct? So it's testing, retesting, testing the retesting. Okay, and let's see. All right, so looks good as well. It looks good. Euro Yen. It looks good now. Okay, it looks good now. So retesting on this H1 support. This is what I meant always. Okay, when it started to break the support. Okay, retest it. After retesting it, if it's not breaking up again and coming back here to sell, okay, let's wait. Okay, then another engulfing candle coming in, shoot it. Okay, right? Okay, so it's I think this is I've been repeating the same way. Hey Eric, do you have a need something new? You know, I don't have. Okay, because the situation is the same. Okay, you have to understand situation is very important. You got to understand the situation because different situation come along with different strategy. So tentatively, if we are facing with the same situation, use the same strategy. Okay, all right. Don't try to be Michael Jordan. Okay, don't try to be something fascinating. As long as you get your profit, I don't care how fascinating it is. Correct, guys? Do you agree? Okay, so right. Okay, so yeah. So let's see. Okay, and yeah. So now just pay attention. All right, pay attention to Euro Yen. Currently closest to us is closest to us that we can have a trigger. Okay, so I think something that we can also pay attention to. Another one is agreed, huh? Okay, Aussie yen. Okay, and Pound Yen is also quite close. Okay, Pound Yen also quite close. Aussie Yen, yes, quite close. Aussie Yen, but please shrink down a bit to take a look. Aussie Yen here. Okay, this part here, one wave, it has a lower low. After that, coming back again, very likely to create another lower low. Am I right? To meet the support level. So yeah. Aussie Yen is another one. Okay, Aussie Yen, another one from current price. I think another 20 of space. When I say 20 of space, please remember to apply what I have said a few days ago. This support is the fire ground. The flame is burning above. Okay, so apply the 25% rules. Okay, right. So euro yen is another one. Okay, euro yen is another one that we also can pay attention to. All right, pound yen is also coming, but pound yen okay, euro yen. Let's take a look at euro yen first. Okay, euro yen close. Euro yen. Okay, euro yen. Euro yen, we have about, wow, that's quite a fair bit to go. 37 pips. We have about 37 from this. Okay, hang on. Okay, euro yen, hang on. Okay. Right. So let's see. Pound yen, nothing, but pound yen, no. Pound yen, euro yen. Pound yen is actually testing on the support. Okay, guys, sorry, accidentally. Okay, so guys, you see, over here the support. So it went low. Now it comes back. Now it's forming a buying signal. Red and green candle. Am I right? Okay. Okay. So this is a buying signal, whereby this buying signal over here is on top of the support. So that means to say, buying is highly possible. Okay, buying is highly possible, right? Okay, so let's wait for it to break into the resistant area. Okay, below the support area. All right. Okay, so that you will be able to tell whether it will continue to push to a lower low. All right. Okay, so let's wait for it a while more. This is still having some retracement. Okay, probably it may come to a point whereby this point here. Okay, this point here, right? So yes, probably. Okay, quite highly possible. And let me bring down this resistance line, okay, so that it will be also a guide here. So around this area, okay, around this area, can you see there's this is also one that been tested and break. So resistance that become a support. Sorry, a support that become a resistance over here in this whole area of resistance. Okay, so it may be here around this area. Okay, from here. Okay, just pay attention to that as well. Okay, and euro yen. Now retesting the support. See, it's breaking. Am I right? It's breaking. Correct. So let me. Can I bring this down? Okay, let me bring it down. Okay, to the next support level, and I'm going to bring this down. Okay, as a support that become a resistance over here. Okay, the support was here. Tested, break. Now let's see. Is it going to break? Okay, so now for euro yen, my red dotted line become a resistance because it is like a support that become a resistance. Okay, so I'm going to analyze. We are going to read the situation. Okay, first of all, we are going to read the situation in a way that, okay, is this going to retest the support as a resistance? And it's not breaking, then we shall shoot it later on when it start to sell with a selling signal. Okay, but if it's going up, okay, like pound yen, example like pound, it went up and form a buying signal above the support level, then forget about it. Okay, then forget about it. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, guys. Do you mind if I can excuse myself for a little while? Okay, and I'll be back. I'll be right back. So meanwhile, for people who have just came into my YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button. Okay, so that you can get the latest update from me as well. Okay. All right. I shall see you in a little while. Let me excuse myself to the gents, and I'll be back. I'll be right back. Okay. Right, hello guys, I'm back here. Right, okay, so over here, okay, and as you can see right now, pound yen, we are retesting the support here. Okay, it's going to break through. Correct. So yep, something here for us. Okay, so let's take a look at euro yen. Euro yen. Well, euro yen over here. Euro yen. Okay, now euro yen is testing on the resistance as well. Okay, it's now testing on the resistance, so it looks pretty good as well. Okay, so last 30 minutes, 15 minutes is actually all looking good. Okay, euro yen, it looks pretty good to sell, huh? Euro yen. Okay, yes, euro yen, looking good to sell. Pound yen, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen, pound yen. Okay, let's take a look at this. Aussie yen is still struggling. Okay, so hang on. All right. Euro yen. Well, we are very near. Okay, euro yen, we are very near. Then pound yen, pound yen. Let's take a look at pound yen. Did anyone enter for pound yen? I'm not sure. Just let me know if you do. Anyway, okay. Not the right time yet. Not the right time to enter for pound yen. Not the right time. Anyway, it's not the right time yet. Okay. Because we have just break into the resistance area, the previous support that become a resistance, right now. So yeah, so just hang on. Okay, we are a bit there, near there. Okay, near there, right. So it's the space available here, looking good. Okay, so we are still moving towards the south. Well, I still see opportunity. Very good. Okay, very good. Very good, the space, huh? Pound yen. Okay, pound yen. Right. Okay, pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen is something that we can take a look now. Okay, pound yen. Right. Pound yen. Bradley. Okay. You have already entered. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Pound yen. Okay. Right. So same thing. Okay. So the space, huh? Okay. Let's take a look at the space. The pace is still pretty good. Okay. Still pretty good. Okay. From here. Yes, the space is still pretty good. Okay, because you see the space here as this already break the support, very obvious that it's break the support. So the next support, okay, the next support to go well here this way, pretty good over. Where is it now? Now, okay. Wow, that is a great space to go. Another great space to go, huh? Okay. Hang on. Okay. Hang on. Okay. Yeah. So with this price okay, Hubert, what about yours? Struggling? You are struggling on which part here? Let me know. Okay, let me know which part you are struggling. Okay. Right. Okay, the support over here. Okay, there's one support here, correct? So are we expecting to break the support over here? Okay, let's see. Okay, this is something that very near. I would say that the this support, okay, can be break, okay, but it needs a little bit of time, okay, just a while more. It needs a little bit of time, okay, because as you can see, that's on the far left, okay, on the far left, this is one of the nearest support. It came down, it stopped, and now it's a retesting. It is a retesting. All right, it is retesting on the support, as you can see. Right, so this is quite obvious that we are actually retesting, right? Retesting. Yes, it's a retesting. Okay, so yeah, just give a while, just give some time to it. Yes, that's right. Okay, so by reading this is something over here, right? So euro yen, we are testing on the previous support, not yet. Okay, hang on. All right, so pound yen, right? Pound yen, we are going to break the support. As you can see, the blue arrow shall move. All right, the blue arrow here in my signal shall move. Okay, yes, okay, it moved. So expecting it to continue to push down. All right. I think this pound yen is pretty good right now. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Yep. So just because it's still testing on the support, okay, we are trying to break the support over here. So very likely, okay, pushing, okay, may still be struggling around this area. Okay, it may still be struggling in this area, right? Just be careful, okay. But looking at this whole area here, okay, I would say that I'm going to take this correct one. Okay. I'm going to take this triangle away. Okay, I'm going to show you. Okay, this thing from this area. Okay. From this area, okay, I would say that like I mentioned, okay, like yesterday for euro yen, so this shall be the profitable area. Okay, this shall be the profitable area. Okay, of course, I hope it go down all the way so that all of you can capture the profits. Okay, yes, all right. So yeah, so this one. This is actually quite a good area, huh? When it started to break it, okay, then go lower down, that means it's creating a lower low. So creating a lower low, that means after that, another retracement, another pullback like this, it will become a resistance, right? Okay. All right. So this is something that I'm looking out for. Okay, so hopefully that it will continue the trending, and we have much more chance to enter for a lower and lower price, that it will complete the whole area here. Then yeah, I think this is fantastic. Okay. Yes, yep, that's right. Okay. Okay. Okay, so take it easy. All right, Bradley was saying that yes, it will. Okay, just hang on. I think we need some time over here. All right. Okay, need a little bit of time. Okay, so euro yen. Okay, euro yen right now is going back onto the support. So let's be patient and wait for it. Come back to pound yen again. Pound yen, right? Pound yen. It has been now it's stopping at the support, in the support area now. Okay, so likely it's going to push for another resistance. Okay, which is let me lower down this so that it will be clearer for everyone. Okay, it's going to retest the resistance. Okay, it's going to retest the resistance over here. Okay. So this is the area. Okay. Yes. Let's see. Okay. Good. Now let's take a look. Pound yen. Okay, pound yen from this area to the support, it should be running for another 63, right? 63 pips. Okay, targeted at 63 pips from current price. It depends on where did you enter. Okay, it depends. So guys, please don't enter, and I mean don't just set the TP 60 pips, 70 pips. Okay, all right. Situation may change. Okay, but I'm just telling you that, okay, right now we have looking at the current situation, we are in the trending, so we have about 63. Okay, about 60 pips to go. Depends on where is your entry point. So get ready for this blue arrow to push down. Okay, so that probably we can get more. Okay, right. Okay, just hang on. Okay, all right, very near, am I right? Okay, zoom in. Zoom in and to see. Okay, congratulations. Okay, I want the magic to happen. All right. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Okay, the retracement to reach the resistance is over here. Okay, right here. To retest it again, then I guess then it will start to have another round. All right, so probably now is the time for it to take a break. Okay, so probably the sellers are taking a break. Okay, sellers are taking a break now. So it's also giving a chance for people who has not entered the trade to have a chance to enter. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's pretty good. So just hang on, wait. Okay, wait, hang on. All right. Okay, so I guess this is something good. Okay, so over here we have grabbed some profits just now earlier on. Okay, from this wave, am I right? Okay, from this wave. So the next thing is that is this going to we have already taken the profit here, and I'm going to chase it. No, don't chase. Okay, please don't chase. All right. I'm trying to keep the whole trading process journey, okay, in this session as relaxed as possible. So don't chase, don't give yourself unnecessary anxiety. So follow the structure so that you will be disciplined. Okay, you will be disciplined. Once you follow the structure, naturally you will become very disciplined. Okay, so I think something that is also good, that if someone started to follow the structure, and then it will started to give you the discipline by itself. Okay, right. So right now, see okay guys, let's take a look okay, over here we have to understand the situation. It's a trending market, right? So right now it hits here, lower low price. Now it hits onto the support without creating a lower low. So that means that the support has been created here. One support has been created here. Of course, this is M5, it's very small. Okay, it's only a temporary pullback. Okay, so when you can identify that this is a temporary pullback, don't enter first. Or maybe you may be thinking, okay, it's fine, it's a temporary. Well, what if as time goes by, it started to build a very firm here? Remember, every strong support always built from the foundation, from the smallest time frame to the biggest time frame, correct? Okay, especially now we are 30 minutes away. We are about 30 minutes away to H4 opening, correct? So H4, once it opens at the same support here, we are doomed. Am I right? Okay, so don't rush. Don't rush a trade. Okay, look at the situation. Understand the situation first. Okay. So once example like this for my explanation, I don't know how many of you get it. Okay. Why I ask you not to rush into a trade now, okay, is because we are 30 minutes away from H4 opening, and M5 is a temporary setup of support here. Although it's minor, it's very small. M5 a very small time frame, but if this 30 minutes is hovering here, it's going to give us a very big trouble when H4 open. Am I right? Okay, I hope you understand this. So that over here, when you trade, as you can see, this rejection is still good. Okay, after it tested, then it went up to retest. Okay, but it failed. Am I right? So then this is showing a very good signal. Then this is a good signal now, the current situation. Okay, my blue arrow is going to shift to show that it's going further down, so that it breaks the support here. Correct? This is a support. Am I right? This is a support over here. There's a support here now. So can you see this candle is actually retesting the previous support as a resistance once again. Once again. So does that mean we are retesting the previous support as a resistance? It's also a good sign that it's actually sellers are willing to sell at the lower price, and to break the support, so that it can go further down. Yeah, okay. So this is how I understand. Okay, this is how I understand it, so that it helps me in my trading. All right. So I hope this also helps you. Okay, and in that case, you will be able to tell the situation and is it good to enter. All right. Step, okay, punch in the number one. Okay. All right. Punch in the number one if you understand. All right. Okay. Right. Good. Okay. Good. Thank you very much. Okay. So right now, can you see? Can you see? Okay. So slowly we are retesting the previous support. Right? We are testing on the previous support now. So it looks good. So pound yen now looks good. Correct. It's retesting. Good. See? Alright. So this is what we are going to hold it. Okay. We're gonna hold it. Right? Hold it. Yes. That's very good. Okay, now let's see. Right. Retesting. We are on the way. Okay. So are we going to, is it going to go up all the way and coming back here once again? Okay, so hang on. Right, just wait. Okay. So this is something that we want to see. Okay. So that okay, over here we are going to, if we are going to hold the trade throughout this blue area, the profitable area, okay, these are the factors that we should be looking out for. Okay, do you have any questions, guys? Any question for me? If you have a question for me, do let me know. All right, do let me know. Okay, so over here, this is the profitable space that we are looking out for. All right, so of course, it's also depending on the situation. Okay, so currently still I'm still waiting. Okay, of course, hopefully H4 give us a very good opening, so that we are able to tell. Okay, right. Okay, that this is going to continue the selling, right? Okay. Well, is it still there? Okay. Well, good. Okay. Well done. Okay, good. Well, Pao Yen is a okay. Now, guys, take note of this. Okay, I'm going to explain this part here. Okay, as we can see, this I'm going to shrink down a little bit. Okay, as you can see, there's those big selling candles. Candles are having a very strong selling after it is going on the trading until this part here. Until this part, it started to build up a new support. There's a support here. Can you see? Okay, it's not creating a lower low. Okay, it started to slow down, and I'm going to zoom in. Okay, I'm going to zoom in, and you can see candles are getting smaller and smaller. The real body candles are getting smaller and smaller. It also shows that the support gives some impact. Okay, sellers are holding on. So when will the sellers start to sell in a very big in a very big way, in a big wave coming down? Okay, we do not know. But as you can see, the candles are getting smaller. This is a warning. This is also a warning. Okay, this is a warning that the selling trend is getting weaker. Okay, I think this is logic, right? Okay, behind the trading logic, we can see this part here is like an airplane taking a landing. So this something here we have to take note. Okay, something here we got to take note. Okay, especially this part. Okay, especially this part. So don't enjoy the profit just now over here. Wow, very big selling, and I grab my profits very fast. And I think that this wave, another round. Okay, so probably when things appear to be this way, okay, when you see the volume is getting smaller, the selling volume is getting smaller, I guess this is something that we really have to pay attention to. Is it still good to sell? Okay, is it still good to sell? Well, there's one candle here. Can you see? There's a cross candle here. Okay, it's a sign of indecisiveness, correct? The market cannot decide. The market cannot decide where to go, correct? So as you can see, one selling down, getting smaller, although there's a rejection, but smaller real body, not enough volume to push it down. Then can I say now over here with one cross candle here, okay, there's a cross candle here. So what is that? Okay, a cross star here is usually an indecisiveness. So it's like a landing. Okay, it's like a landing. So probably this may be the end of this wave, or it's going to for a retracement. Okay, let me zoom out so they can see clearer. It may be going for a retracement or a higher resistance. To look out for a higher resistance over here. When it hits here, then it will continue the selling. If the same thing like this, but the reverse way, it happens up here. Okay, when it happens up there, that means to say the landing and the support actually they can only manage to push until this level and it stop. Okay, so very likely it is not going to push further up. So let's wait for a new selling signal over here, then another chance for us to enter. Okay, indeed, by looking at the situation now, okay, okay, for me, I don't predict the future. Okay, I'm unable to predict the future. All right, so I can only base on the current situation tell where is my targeted price. Okay, where is my targeted price? So by looking at this current situation, I will still see that this is a profitable area. Okay, this is a profitable area. But like I say, M5 is actually hitting out on the landing like this. if this is the support area, becoming a new support area, although it's M5, but don't overlook, okay, don't underestimate this M5, okay, don't underestimate the M5 support or resistance. Let's talk about the current situation, the support here. As I mentioned just now earlier on, like 10 minutes ago, if in this half an hour, it's going to stays here, okay, it's going to stays here, hovering around here, you know, until the H4 opening, and it still stays here. And the green candles start to rise, okay, and break the resistance. Guess what is happening? From here, from the support tested with a higher support, and now building up another higher support. That means gone. Okay, all right, you get what I mean? That means it's gone. Okay, no more. All right, no more. So we got to avoid. We cannot hold the mindset that okay, it's still a retracement, you know. Tentatively, if that's happened, okay, if that happened, then I would say that okay, that it is no good. It's not in our favor anymore, right? So we have to base on situation. Situation changes. Sometimes people was telling me that I was watching the trade market for the past 24 hours, 48 hours. Okay, yes, but what did you see? Did you analyze out the situation, or you just barely open out your eyes and look at the dance of the candles? You know, no, that will not help you. All right, in every minute, every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, or some you're using MT5, you have more time frames, right? So you can go up to like every changes you must understand. From the smaller time frame, it started to build because this may be the foundation. This may be the starting point of the support. So that is also something that we have to learn and must be able to identify. Okay, so that's why okay, such situation happens, it has to collaborate with the timing. Like now we are left with about 20 minutes to H4 opening as well. So if H4 opening to set up all together at one go with this kind of support, then it is no good, right? Then it is no good. Then this is something that we need to avoid. Okay, all right. So this is how that you got to understand when you are trading, you are watching the live chart. Okay, there's plenty of things that you got to understand the situation. Okay, that actually go into the timing. Then it will help you greatly. Okay, then it will help you greatly. All right. So yeah. Okay. So I hope with all this information it helps you. Okay. Once again, if you find that this during my live session it helps you to analyze out better and you can trade better, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for the people who are on the Mandarin, you can subscribe to ACS Learning Hub and ACS Learning Hub _KH. Okay, that's for the Mandarin side. Okay, right. Buy or sell? You mean buy or sell for Pao Yen? Right, Pao Yen. Okay, amen. Right, amen. Okay, so did I pronounce your name correctly? Amen. All right, so amen. Now we are actually selling on the Pao Yen. Okay, we are looking for opportunity to sell the Pao Yen. Okay, because over here, okay, in the general trend, as looking through the general trend, we still have a good chance to sell the Pao Yen. Okay, we still have a good chance to sell the Pao Yen. Okay, so tentatively, okay, over here, as we are selling this Pao Yen, but along the way, we are meeting up with some obstacle. Okay, we are meeting up with some obstacle. Okay, so we are now reading the chart to identify where is the obstacle. Where is the obstacle? Okay, so we are talking about this part here. Okay, we are talking about this part here. We are meeting up with the obstacle, right? So it prevents us from continue the selling, right? So there are people who actually selling the pound yen already and still holding on for more profits. As we can read that over here, this is a profitable space that we are having. Okay, so it's just a gauge. Okay, so right now, waiting to sell pound yen. Okay, waiting to sell the pound yen. Well, right now because of H4 is coming. Okay, H4 is coming, and we identify that the selling volume suddenly there's a sudden drop. Okay, sudden drop of the selling volume. So probably this may not be the right time. This may not be the right time to sell. Okay, so we are still waiting for the correct time. Okay, so probably in the next hour or so, that actually can give us a good selling opportunity. Then we will start to shoot the pound yen. Okay, right. So tentatively, we are actually now looking at this pound yen. Okay, we have been selling from this area, right? Okay, around this area. Okay, so right now, lowest at 46 pips, and now still there are some still holding on to it. Okay, changes is over here, right? We are just worried about now the situation is that selling volume is getting lesser. Okay, the selling volume is getting lesser. Okay, as we can see, just now we are talking about this. Let me zoom in so they can see clearer. Okay, over here it's very strong. Another round of strong selling, but you can see the candle is getting shorter and shorter, smaller and smaller, and now it looks like a airplane landing. It's looking like it looks like a landing, you know. So tentatively, it's also a sign of the selling volume is getting lesser. Okay, yes, right. Okay, so over here, of course, the next hour open, it may just zoom down. Okay, because right now it's creating another resistance over here. It looks good as well. Okay, it looks good. Honestly, it looks good. Okay, it looks good. So, but right now we are now waiting for it to. We are waiting for it to get this clear. Okay, clear this. Okay, clear this. Clear this first, then the retesting. Then it will be another good time. Okay, just like earlier on. Okay, we clear one here. Okay, retest, then go. Retest, then go. Correct. So we are waiting for another round. All right, waiting for another round here. So there will be looks like a selling of this pound yen today. Okay, still looking good. Still looking good, huh? Okay, so but just be very, very careful. Whereby, like I say, this point of time, seems like we are going to build the support. Seems like we're going to build a support for a pullback. Okay, so if H4 started to open up, and going to build up the buying signal with a new support, then I think this is okay. All right. So yeah, just pay attention to this, right? So Euro Yen, once again, Euro is coming back on the testing again. Same thing, it's not moving anywhere, right? So Aussie Yen, let's take a look at Aussie Yen. Well, Aussie Yen, okay, Aussie Yen. Anybody? Okay, Aussie Yen. It went back to retest, and now starting to sell down for about 15 pips. Well, it hits on our target, like just now we were talking about. Okay, just now. Okay, so Aussie Yen. Okay, Aussie Yen. I believe some of you may have already taken your profit because we are talking about the scalp this Aussie Yen, huh? Okay, right. Okay. Okay, so over here. Yep. So let's also take a look. I'm back here with Euro Yen. Let's see. Okay, Euro Yen over here. Euro Yen is actually testing on the previous support as a resistance. Can you see? Okay, over here. So right now, Euro Yen over here. Wow, this is a good opportunity. From here to here, another 15 pips, not much. Okay, not much. Okay, because we are actually testing on the support here. Correct? We are trying to break the support. We are trying to break the main support here. We are trying to we are trying to break the main support. So tentatively it's hovering around the support. So we are very near to the support. So guys, remember, okay, if we are now right here, you see from here to here, we are just merely here. So we are very near the support. So let's be patient, okay? Be patient to wait for this price to break the support and form and retest the support as a resistance. Okay, after it tested the resistance, then tested the support as a resistance, then start selling. Okay, after it has a selling signal. Okay, same thing. Okay, today we have many currency pairs in a very similar situation. Like I mentioned earlier on, when we are trading, we have to identify the situation. Okay, identify the situation, then look back, and search our soul which strategy is best fit. Then we will use that strategy to trade. All right. Okay. So yeah, let's take a look. Yes, Hubert, Pound Yen. Okay. Pound Yen. Oh, Pound Yen is breaking. Okay, Pound Yen is breaking. Okay, so selling signal is coming back again. Okay, selling signal is coming back again. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. All right. So hang on. Okay, hang on. Like I said, this is a sign of a weak selling. Correct. So I'm going to wait for a retest. Then I will start selling. Okay, this is something, huh? All right. So yes, Bradley, yeah. Aiden, okay, TP or AJ, huh? Okay, that's good. All right. So Bradley, may I know how many pips you are holding right now? Okay, how many pips are you holding already right now? From profitable one now, as of now. Okay. All right. Okay, so just wait for your reply. Anyway, okay, so 28 pips. Oh, 28 pips. Okay, that's good. All right, keep going. All right, keep going. So anyway, I think like we estimated over here, and we have 8 minutes to go. So I guess over here we still have about 53, right? 53. So over here, all right, tentatively. Okay, it doesn't mean that now you enter a trade and I'm going to set 53 pips and I'm going to shut down my PC and just go. Okay, all right. So yeah, no, don't do that. Okay, don't do that, huh? All right. Okay. Any safer pair to enter here? Any safer pair? Tentatively. Euro Yen is not. Okay. I would say Aussie Yen has gone. Pound Yen is one, but we need to wait. Okay, Pound Yen is one but patient needed. Patient needed. All right. Okay. For long term, huh? For long term, I guess currently. For long term, currently, I would say that Pound Yen don't have to wait for a little while to decide. Okay, Pound Yen. Okay, Pound Yen have to wait first, and I can't answer you right now because actually today we are done up all this for the day trade. Okay. or day trade. I'm so sorry about that. Aussie Kiwi, all right. By looking at Aussie Kiwi probably will be one, okay. Aussie Kiwi can be one, okay. Aussie Kiwi can be one of the long-term trade, okay. So Aussie Kiwi, you can pay attention to that, whereby Aussie Kiwi is something quite potential, but it's coming, but not now, okay. It's coming, but not now, all right. I'm also, you know, my way of, you know, I think probably you have followed me for quite some time, as you can see. Once I, like example, you know, pound yen, okay, pound yen. So pound yen, let me shrink down like in last year, right? Last year, about this, yeah, October. Yes, correct, October. From October, okay, once I have identified that this is a selling trade over here, it's a bear, I will focus in selling, but I take a day trading, okay. But usually I don't take a long term. Where I identify that this is a long term, okay, then I'll still use day trading to reap my profits along the way, okay. So same thing, when it start to retrace upwards, I will skip. So like I've been waiting for pound yen since February, right? Since February, all the way up here, and then I started to trade. I started to focus on this pound yen since April, right? So until today, until now. So pound yen, I would say that tentatively 1, 2, 3, and here we still have a potential. Okay, like last 2 days. Okay, I believe you were here last 2 days, right? So we have grabbed this part here for pound yen, and we grab this part for pound yen, and just now we actually grabbing this part for pound yen. Okay, right. So this actually something that this is something that actually pound yen we can take a look, something there, right? Okay, right. What is the name of the indicator you're using? We show arrows. Okay, I actually planted in myself. Okay, right. Okay, so I think you can I guess you can Google search around arrow indicators for MT4. Yeah, there are plenty. There are plenty. Okay, right. Yeah, there are plenty of them for arrow indicators for MT4. Okay, let me see if I can arrow indicator MT4. So basically you will be able to find plenty, okay, over there. Okay. There's one do you know this thing called auto section, right? So yeah, maybe you can use or yeah, something like that. Okay. Okay. Guys, if you are interested that to find out all these, probably yeah, you can let me send you this link. This is not really very okay. I for information. Okay, I don't represent any one of them. Okay, I don't represent any one of them. But since you asked, okay, I can share with you. All right. So this is something like this. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Right. So over here. Okay. This one. Okay. Click the link first. Okay, click the link first. Let's be unbearable. Okay. Click the link first. Okay, because I'm afraid once I ended the live, I don't think I have a replay. Okay. Right. So yes, what's the question here? Can you punch into this what is that? Okay. What is that? AN. Let's take a look at Aussie Kiwi. Right. Aussie Kiwi. Right, Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi over here. Let's see Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi. It looks pretty good. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, yeah, pretty good. Okay, I think Aussie Kiwi good. Aussie Kiwi right now is testing on the resistance. Okay, now so we are still on the resistance, which is pretty good over here. Then I guess Aussie Kiwi may have a good chance to sell down. We have about 20 over pips to go. All right, so I guess still okay. Enter at 9451. 94 what? 9451. 9451. Wow, that's a pretty good price. 9451. Well, okay. I guess that's a pretty good price over here. 9451. 9451. Out here. Well, I think that's pretty good. Okay, that's fine. I think we continue. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's take a look. Right, guys. Yes. Okay. Okay. So H4 has opened. So that means let's us take a look at the pound yen. Okay, Aussie Kiwi no problem. Okay, so I guess it should be starting to sell down. Okay, what about all pound yen? Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen, as I mentioned, this is a support. Now it started to sell down. Okay, it started to sell down. I think it's pretty good as well. All right, so that, but of course, this is only the first minute. This is only the first minute. All right, so hang on. Let's let this H4 is a new section, okay, of the trading hours. So let's wait for it. Okay, let's wait for it. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay. So that's good. Okay, guys, if you find my session is useful, all right, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay. So remember to smash the like button as a small token of appreciation, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me. Okay, I will be presenting my some learning materials here together, so that we can share and we can get the TP together, so that you are not alone. All right, and also ring out the bell to get a notification when I go live. All right. Okay. So for 说中文的，你们可以 for the Chinese 中文的呢，你们可以 subscribe to ACS Learning Hub _ KH， alright， 就它的那个是中文版的中文版的，OK 是中文版的中文不好，那么不要乱来OK， 尤其是在马来西亚 ，OK， 尤其是马来西亚的朋友 ，OK。Right, so 在这里，我可以先把那个，在这里怎么会是这样的呢 ？Yes, can I get your Telegram or other social link to contact you? It's under my description box. Okay, so please, yeah, you can can look me up there. Okay, right, no problem. I'm running this ACS. This place is called ACS Learning Hub. Alright, ACS Learning Hub. Okay. Sorry. The wrong thing. Did I click the wrong thing? Yeah, I clicked the wrong thing. Okay. Okay, 说中文的 for those people who are on the Mandarin side, okay, on the Mandarin side, do click it. Okay, the Chinese. Okay, do click this. Right, for the Chinese one, do click this link. Follow KH for his Chinese live session. All right. Okay. Okay. Yep. So okay, let's come back here. So sorry, 对不起 so sorry that my Mandarin is not that good. Okay, so not that fluent enough. Right, so pardon me. I use English to tell the Chinese to pardon me. Oh my god, I'm also what a joke. Okay, so yeah. All right, so let's come back here in Pao Yen. All right, Pao Yen. I'm still looking at Pao Yen to continue the selling until this level. Okay, we still left just now earlier on we are with 60 over pips. Now we are only left with 40 pips, 40 plus pips, right? So continue the selling. All right, continue the selling. All right, so okay, so please, okay, people who are holding it, okay, people are holding it, hold it, okay, okay, hold it, and I think I still quite good. Okay, so yep, I think still quite potential. All right, so it's still quite something good. Okay, right, so something here that we just need to pay attention. Okay, we just need to pay attention that would there be another retesting? Okay, in M5. Okay, let's zoom in and see. As you can see, this is the landing earlier on that we are talking about. If there's a chance that it's retesting the resistance as a retesting the support as a resistance, okay, then we shall start. Then if there's a selling, then that will be a good time to sell. Okay, all right. So yeah, I guess this is something good. But if there's no chance for us, let's continue to zoom down. Then please do not rush into a trade. Please do not rush into a trade. All right, don't rush to a trade. Okay, all right. Right, May. That May. How you put your stop? All right, my stop will be here. Okay, it depends on where did you enter. All right, usually I enter at the resistance. Right, usually I enter at resistance. That's an example for this. If I enter at the resistance like this, okay, and when it breaks the resistance above, retest the resistance as a support and start to go up to a higher price like this, something like this, okay, somewhere like this, okay, it's a very similar case right here. Okay, the pattern is this way. Right, if I enter here, it goes up, break the resistance, it went up, retest the resistance without breaking back into the resistance, without breaking back, then it's set up a support as a buying signal over here. All right, as a buying signal, I will cut my trade. Okay, I will cut my trade. Usually I don't set my SL. Usually I don't set my SL when I'm trading. Okay, when I'm sitting in front of the PC. Why is that so? It's because at times it may have institutional trading, so it may zoom up and rejected come down. So if you set an SL there, okay, very likely you will be the victim of the institutional trades. Okay, so I guess some of you from in the Europe, okay, I think you should know BTMM. Am I right? Okay, so in Asia, most of us, okay, not all, okay, but they would prefer to say, if I put my stop loss 20, okay, and 200 as my TP, that will be a good risk management. Okay, but I'm not sure. It depends on individual. But for me, I will not, because I'm in front of the PC. Okay, and each time when I pump in the trade, I only pump in one trade at a time. After my TP, then I will go for the second trade. Even there's an opportunity coming along with 5 trades of opportunity, I will still choose the best one to enter. Right? So try to do it. Try to practice that way so that you will get the accuracy. Okay? All right. So I hope I have already. I hope I managed to answer your question for May. Right? Okay. All right. So try to now. now we are talking about this. Okay, so pound yen is something that I'm looking at. Okay, my target here. Okay, of course the support is here. All right, the support is here. Okay, when the support is here, I don't take my target right at the support. I don't. Okay, why is that so? It's because this is like a burning ground, so the flame is burning upwards. So when the flame is burning upwards, correct? So when I come near to the support, I may get some burning sensation. So that means it's a warning that is going to burn me, right? So that is a sign of like, you know, the support impact is coming. So sometimes before it hits onto the support, it get rejected. For example, like this, okay, something like this. You see the support comes down here, it got rejected, go up, came down, all right, tested and it went back again. Okay, so this is what I meant. All right, so this is why I place my blue box. This blue box is my profitable space. Okay, the profitable space that I'm targeting, that the pound yen is actually coming to this area. Okay, into this area of my targeted profit. So right now, let's take a look over here. So over here, it is still quite good in a way that this is something that we are actually still selling good. Okay, still selling good. So tentatively, it is going slow. Can you see one landing? And the selling volume over here is also very tight, very slow. Okay, correct? It's very volatile where buying is there, selling is there. Then in the end, it neutralizes the selling volume. Correct? So one push, well, this push I don't really see is a good push or great push. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it to retest the resistance, the previous support that become a resistance, and then start to sell down. All right, okay. So you will be on live stream on which session, right? Usually I will be in the Euro hour this week. Okay, all right. Okay, I just started this week because after recovering from my vocal. Okay. So if are you May, where are you from? May I know where are you from? We have another guy. Okay, we have another Chinese channel. Okay, we have another Chinese channel. So yep, he should be back on next week probably. Okay, if not, I will still be going on. Okay. Yeah, but anyway, I won't be holding the live session for long hours because I have to take care of my vocal. All right. Okay. So guys who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I believe you know that in my YouTube channel I hold some different events. Okay, so any events that is not to your interest is okay, you can just skip. Okay, all right. All right, for example, tonight I will be holding one charity night, sharing plus charity in my YouTube channel as well. So for the Malaysians, right, for the Malaysians. So yeah, I'm just giving back to the society, right? So from all these years of trading, you know, I decided to do something that gives some fulfillment in my life. So yeah, I'm doing some charity, okay, charity events and on my YouTube channel as well. Okay, so yeah, that will be in Mandarin. Okay, it's because it's for Malaysians, right? So yeah. Okay, so now pound yen coming back here. Pound yen is actually retracing upwards now. Retracing upwards right now. So as we can see here, is retracing upwards to retest the previous support as a resistance. So probably that will be a chance, right? Usually I will live stream on the Euro session. Okay, Euro session. I don't know where you're from. Okay, probably you want to tell me if you're in Asia, GMT +8. So I will have 13 hours GMT +8, 13 hours to have a live session to analyze what are the currency pairs to focus. Then after that, after taking a short break, then I will quickly come back just before the pound market open. Okay, so I will come back and hold the live session. All right, to explain the whole trading session. All right. Okay, so yeah, I hope you get my answer. Okay. Yes. Okay. So next to go, we are about 15 minutes. Right. So another 15 minutes, I will go offline. So today I'm still holding the trade with some of you. Right. Am I right? So still holding on. If you're still holding on, okay, let me know. Okay, if you're still holding on, let me know. Okay. Yes. Bradley. Okay, Bradley is still holding on. Okay, still holding on. Okay, no problem. Just let me know. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so currently, okay, again, like I say, it is still at this verge, retesting the previous support as a resistance. Okay, so something here that we just need to pay attention to. All right, don't rush. Okay, please don't rush into it. Okay. Yep. Okay, Hubert, yes. Flora, okay. Okay, good. Right. Okay, Hubert, Flora, you're still holding on, huh? Okay, yes. Okay, so if you decided to cut the trades, how many pips you're holding on, by the way? 36, 54. 36, 54. Okay, 136, 154. All right. So 36 and 54, huh? From now, huh? Okay, I think it's about here. 134. I think it's about here. This area. So I guess if you're going away from a PC or you are going off, okay, you're ready to collect your TP. Probably you can the stop loss area here. Okay, once it breaks out, retest again, have a buying signal, cut the trade, cut the profits. Okay, collect the profits. Okay, all right. Okay, that's good. Okay, understood. May from Malaysia. Oh, I see. Oh, from Malaysia. 好啊，好啊。这样的话，今天晚上8点钟也可以来到我们的这个 YouTube channel 哈。我会在 YouTube channel 送钱哦，送50块送50块马币 ，OK， 送50块钱马币 ，All right， 有 KH ACS Learning Hub KH 的这个 channel， 你也可以订阅。然后订阅之后，我们会在这个直播里面送出50 ，OK， 送出50 ，OK， 好不好 ？All right， OK， no problem. Why is that? 没问题啊 ，Yeah, correct. OK, that's good. All right, so guys, coming back here again. Okay, so we are retesting the resistance right now. Okay, retesting the resistance right now. Okay, let's see. It's retesting. So let's see. The other thing that we need to pay attention is also H4 because right now this is the first hour of H4. I always take very close monitoring when we are trading in the last hour of the H4 and also the beginning first hour of H4. Why? The last hour, as I mentioned 1 hour ago, okay, if there will be any support that is going to set up from M5 and H4 open, it will set up the support all the way. Am I right? So which is not favorable anymore. So after the H4 open, that particular hour, okay, the first hour is also very important because over at this part here, it may also build up a support. Okay, so this is something that we also need to take note. Like over here, we see we managed to see earlier on that this this is a trading market. Okay, trading market running downwards. But over here, it has a landing, correct? The seller landed. As you can see, seller landed, and this may be caused by the retailers. So right now it's coming back, and in this H4, we have a new support here, correct? A new support. So by looking at this support, if you go into M15, it's a support. If you go to M30, it's going to be a support. H1 is the support, coming as a support. Am I right? Can you see there's a rejection somewhere here, right? And then it started to retrace up to become a support. So can you see this is what I meant by the last hour, it may set up a support, and the first hour, it also can become a support. So this is what I meant by I'm paying a close monitoring between this last hour of H4 to the first hour of H4. Is because we are holding this trade. Then in that case, okay, I'm going to pay attention. Okay, all right. Okay, so that is something that I'm also quite concerned. Okay, right. So this is something that we should also be looking out for, so that we know what to do. All right. Okay. Right. So yeah, this is something that I said. Okay, guys. Bradley cut the profit at 32 pips. Oh, congratulations. So you had 32 pips in profit. Okay, good. Keep it. Okay, let's keep it. All right, that's it. Right. So Hubert and Flora, the rest of you, I'm not sure. All right. How much USD do you recommend to start trading as a beginner? Usually, brokers will always tell you 100 USD. Am I right? Okay. But 100 USD to me, okay, honestly, okay, 100 USD. Okay, the rest of you can participate in this conversation. If you agree later on, just give me a thumbs up. All right. 100 USD is always not enough. Even it's a mini account. Okay. No matter how mini it is. Okay. Or micro account, I can tell you $100 is not enough. $100. Okay. 100 USD is always a starting up to let you have a feel what is live trading. Okay, 100 USD is always a feeling to let you feel how is a live trader. Okay, if you are going for maybe say 800 to 1000 USD, okay, yes, and that will really be one okay, to give you a good start. But when I say 1000, it also means you undergoing through some trainings, some back testing, and some practice that you can consistently grab some profits, you know. Okay, then from there, then you can deposit $1,000, then you start live trading, right? Okay, in my description box, you can click on the link to find out more, okay, about brokers, deposit, all this, all right? So if not, okay, you can also click on the link in my description box where you can find me, all right? Yeah, you can send a message to me. I can guide you from there, okay? Right? Okay, so Tian was saying 20 to start. Because giving training to lose become profit. I need to translate this. Okay. It should be Chinese. This statement, it should be Mandarin 因为给练习应该是这样20块开始，因为练习从输到赢，应该是这样吧，不好意思对不起Okay, so I guess Tian was saying that maybe you can start with $20, okay, So with some trading, and probably you can make the profit from there. Oh, I guess so. All right. Anyway, okay. So pound yen, yes, another 6 minutes. If another 6 minutes, okay. If it continue to go higher, okay, it's building up a higher, okay, a higher candle to break this resistance over here. That means to say the rest cut the profit. Okay, don't I think it's this is one wave that is going to test, okay, on this level. Then after that it will start to retrace down. Probably if it's going to continue the bear market, it's going to continue the bear market. It should be continue to sell off until in this area, like I mentioned. Okay, so this hour it may be retracing, but the next hour it may continue the selling, right? Maybe. All right. So okay, Hubert, I collected my profit. Okay, Flora, I collected my profit too. Okay, that's good. Well done. Okay, so you make a decision, huh? Right. So in this case, okay, what we are going to do is that if there is a retrace downwards and it forms a new entry, okay, then we shall go on. All right, then we can go on. Okay, right. So tentatively, let's wait. Okay, right. How much should I try to make of 1,000 invest per trade or per day? May I know where are you from? AS80. Do I pronounce your name as Assad? Correct? Did I pronounce it correctly? Assad Oyo. Assad Oyo. US. Okay, you're from US. Wow, okay. I hope I didn't pronounce it wrongly, huh? Assad. Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay. So you know, in the past, when I deposit and I tell myself, okay, like say $1,000 and I want to make $100, you know, in the end I lose $10,000. Okay, okay, probably you can disagree with me, but I just speaking out from my personal experience. Okay, when you place a target, all right, when you place a target out there to make how much you are going to make per day, right, usually it go reverse. It will not give you any profit. Okay, so reverse the mechanism in a way. Don't think about the profit. If you deposit 1,000, configure your mind, okay, into a state whereby with the $1,000, go for 100 trades. Go for 100 trades. Stick with one trading strategy. Stick with one trading pattern. Example, like if you are using support resistance, example, all right? So just use support resistance. Okay, just use support resistance. And if you are going for one direction, let's say I'm selling the market only, so just sell. Okay, so with $1,000 and one direction, one strategy, go for 100 trades. All right, go for 100 trades. Why? The reason behind is that when you are thinking about how much should I make a day, right, you are trigger your mind and your emotion, the anxiety, enter a trade as fast as possible, as early as we woke up from your bed, you know, and you have a lot of emotion trading. But if you are going to give yourself like a 100 trade back testing on a particular strategy, like one strategy, one trading pattern, and one direction, your mindset very clear that in 100 trades you want to achieve 100 TP. Correct? You will be asking for 100 TP. Okay, so what I meant is that you, of course, with 100%, but you know it is impossible. So when it's time for SL, you just stop it. Okay. Then after 100 trades, you will be able to see, okay, the one the strategy that you are using, the trading with this $1,000, okay, what is the winning ratio, what's the percentage? So at least you configure your mind into working on what is your $1,000 providing you, what kind of strategy, what kind of trading pattern, then that will be a true secret. So that you will not be, just jump into a $1,000 account and start to, I want to make $100 a day, $10 a day, $20 a day, Yeah, that will only trigger emotional trading. So it's definitely no good, right? Okay, no, don't set target on that. Okay, so yeah, so don't set target on that. That is really no good. Okay, because why am I sharing this? Is because I have the same problem. Okay, I had the same problem. So in the end, I lose a lot of money. Right. So I'm sending out this link. This is my YouTube link. One of the playlists where one of the video that is actually talking about what you would just ask. Right. So yeah, I actually created this playlist only this year. So this 1 week, one video a week. So now I'm hitting 18 videos. All right. So just to recap what I have been through and hopefully sharing my experience before you learn the lesson. Okay. So well, okay. As said, so I hope okay, Mr. Oyo, I hope I answered your questions. All right. So don't set the target. Okay, don't set a target. Just focus your mind on the $1,000 to have correct trade rather than to make profit. Because when you have the correct trade, naturally you make profit. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay. All right. Start deposit $20. Okay, start $20. See you can flip more or lose. Wow. Okay. No. Okay. Right. So I guess deposit $20. Okay. When you deposit too little, it's also a wrong thing to do. Okay. Like example, I have some students that actually they deposit, like say every time when they deposit $100. And when they burst their account, they deposit another $100. So they deposit more than 20 times, 30 times, and I start asking them, why don't you just deposit $1,000? Okay, no, I don't want, because I wish that $100 I can make $1 million. In Chinese we say 小刀锯大树. Okay, so you're trying to slaughter a bull with a penknife. So definitely that that don't work, am I right? Okay, so yeah, so that's better don't. Okay, so sometimes too little of a deposit actually it kills, right? But too much of a deposit also no good because you don't have a plan. Okay, all right. So well, you're welcome, Mr. Asad. So very helpful. I always like your idea of finding. Okay. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay. So yeah, 30 minutes M30 has opened. So as we can see now, it's actually from this area. Okay, guys, before I go offline, okay, so I hope this session, if you find it really helpful, once again, smash the like button for me, okay? And those who are still watching alongside with me, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, from now I'm going to tell you that we have a Chinese channel, 中文版呢有 KH ACS Learning Hub. Okay, ACS Learning Hub _ KH. Okay, so 等一下可以在这个链接里面再点击再一次的这个订阅他的频道。如果是马来西亚的话呢，今晚8点钟我们有一些慈善晚会，送50元 ，OK， 送50这个马币，我尽量就是可以出席就出席。Okay, let's come back English here. All right. Okay, so come back into English here. Let's take a look at our Pao Yen. Okay, it's moving upwards, right? Yeah, I think that's good. You know why? Happy. Why? Why am I happy? Okay, because I want to show you a very concrete example in this way to identify the retracement, the pullback, or any reversal. Okay, H4 is setting up the support, right? If you're reading now, it's higher support, higher support, higher support. So to identify such thing is going to happen, all right, please be sure that in M5 is a very, very important time frame to me, okay, because as you can see, earlier on we have been selling down, correct? So now zoom in this part here. When they start to sell off with a big candle, and on the support, the candle started to get shorter and smaller to form a support. In combination of the time frame, okay, 1 hour just before the H4 opening, okay, in H4 opening, so you can see it seems like the seller has landed. Okay, sellers has landed. So the seller has landed. That means to say support is coming. So as you can see, sellers, the candle is getting smaller, shorter, correct? So in a way, the support is coming soon because selling volume is getting lesser, okay, for this part. So after H4 open, it zoomed down for the last push, but it's not pushing anywhere, and now it's still coming back here as a support, but buying candle is stronger each time. When it beats above the support level, which become the resistance, okay, then it still continue to go a higher price. Now, this is important. It may be a reversal, or it may also only be a pullback. So people who are actually holding on your profits, like example here, just now you're saying that about 30 pips, right? So if you didn't pull out just now, you have all your profit is gone. So it's good that you identify this part here. Okay, guys, if you identify this part and the support comes along, breaking above the resistance, yeah, it's time to collect your profits, like Bradley, Hubert, Flora, okay, the rest of you. So this is how you pull out. Okay, you pull out the trade. Okay, you pull out your profits, put it in your pocket first. So later on, if there's another round of selling, then we enter. Okay, that's my style. Okay, I always believe any profits, floating profits, never a profit until you close the trade. Okay, guys. So yeah, always remember the logic. Okay, like GT was mentioning yesterday. All right, I think it's GT. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. Okay, BTMM. Okay, yeah. So I'm not going to mention BTMM too often. All right. I guess GT you should know why, huh? Okay. So yeah. So yes. So this may be a pullback, and there may be another chance for selling as well. So because we are still in the selling, but since although we are in the bear, but there are time of the day in the day, the certain hours in the day is a retracement, is a pullback, stayed away, right? So if there are time, it's coming back to a prevailing bear trend, then we shoot it. Okay, right? So that's the basic concept of forex trading in one directions. Okay, that should be done. All right. Okay, if you have small account, grab 5 pips as much as possible, as many as possible, because each time you grab the 5 pips, you build up your margin. Each time you grab your 5 pips, you build up your margin, so that in the next round you can see that your account is growing. Then you have a bigger lot size to go. That is how you're going to build up. Okay, so 5 pips trading is always a good way for basic beginners to go with, right? Then after that, after you build up your account, then slowly move into a higher level, another higher level. Okay, all right. So yep. Hey guys, thank you for coming in today. I'm coming to the end, okay, of today's trading. So I'm going to take a break for dinner before my next session for the Malaysia charity night. Okay, sharing and charity. All right. So do remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, and this week, today will be my last day for going live. Tomorrow I will not be going on live for this analysis as well as a live streaming, live forex trading session here. All right. So probably I see you next week. All right. So I in advance, okay, in advance, wish all of you have a great weekend, and remember to keep your profits, right? And also Friday, when coming to the closing 1 or 2 hours before the euro and pound closing, okay, stay away from trading. Keep your profit, enjoy your weekend, and watch my weekly video, okay, on Saturday, GMT +8, 9 p.m. I will start to post out. All right. So I hope those videos can help you. Okay. Right. If you're free on the weekend, for those that just joined into my subscription over here into my channel, go ahead and watch all the videos, 18 videos. Okay, each about 10 minutes. All right. Just find out what have I gone through. Okay. All right. Thank you, Matt. Thanks, mate. See you again, guys. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you guys. And thank you for your support.